Hello guys, welcome to our channel and we're back as we continue working on our Wix booking site. Today we're going to be working on our Wix Bookings pages, so let's get started. We'll be able to see our Wix Bookings pages by going to the Pages and Menu button on the sidebar. Click on the Bookings pages, and over here we'll be able to access our Bookings pages. We have our Services page, our Service page, Booking Calendar, Booking Form, Cart page, and our Thank You page. You may be wondering why we automatically have these pages added. That's because the template we selected already comes with pre-installed features, including the Wix Bookings feature. If you haven't had this feature installed or you wish to install this feature manually, go to the Apps button, and on the search bar, go ahead and type in Wix Bookings. Click on Wix Bookings, and you should be able to see this button over here, but it's going to say Add to Site. In our case, it says Open because we've already installed this feature onto our site. As we talked about earlier, you can access your Bookings pages, Wix Bookings pages on the Pages and Menu button over here, but you can manage its processes on the My Business button. So here on the My Business button, you'll be able to see all the features you've installed. And for Wix Bookings, these are the things that you can do here. You can set your work hours, connect your payment methods, manage your services, add new services, add bookings elements, and manage your bookings pages. Anyway, let's go back to working on our Wix Bookings pages. So once again, we're going to go to Pages and Menu, click on Bookings Pages, and we're going to work on our services over here. So this is our services page. This page is going to show our visitors all the services that we offer on our website. We've actually already set this up in the previous videos. So anyway, for just a short recap, if you want to edit this services section, just click on it until you see Manage Services. Now click on Manage Services. And over here, we'll be able to see all of the services that we've previously created. If you haven't watched our video on how you can edit your services section and add a service or add services to your services area, no worries, we'll link it in the description box and you can check it down below. So anyway, since we already worked on this section previously, so we're just going to move on to the next one. And we're going to go to the next page, which is our service page. You might think that it's redundant or repetitive, but this specific page is where your visitors will get taken to find more information about a specific service they clicked on the services page. So if you already set up your services page, then the information that display here will automatically reflect that. So I'm just going to show you what I mean. First, I'm going to go back to our home section on the site menu. And then we're going to preview this website so that you'll see what it looks like. So we're going to go to our services here. So these are the services that we have available, for example. And if you click on Read More, you'll be able to see your specific service that you clicked on. And that's what I meant. So there's no need for you to manually edit the service page because it's going to directly reflect the information you input on your services when you created your services. So it's very important that you set up your services page because it'll also reflect on the service page. So there's a difference there. Services versus service page. So the services page is where all of your services will be displayed. As in this case, oh no, as in this case, but the service page is what your visitors will see, something like this. So the service page is just a single service page that gives you more information about that specific service you just clicked on, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the editor now. As mentioned, you don't have to manually edit this, but if you see anything you want to edit here, well, you can do so. Feel free to do so. Next, we're gonna go back to the Wix Bookings pages, and we have our booking calendar. This booking calendar page will appear if a visitor clicks on the service they're interested in. So depending on the service that the visitor clicked on, that specific service will be displayed here. And if you've previously set up that specific service, when creating it, you're also going to be able to have the option to set a schedule, a date, and a time for that specific service. So the content here will automatically be updated if you already took care of your services when you previously worked on your services page or when you were creating your services. But you can edit its layout or appearance if you like. But by default, it already looks well set up, so I think I'm just gonna leave it to be. Next, we're gonna move on, and then we have our booking form. So our booking form is, of course, what our visitors will see if they wish to book a service. And this is the form. This is going to be the form that they're going to have to fill up. Once again, by default, it already looks good, but if you wish to edit it, you can do so. Click on it, and then click on Settings. And on this small window is where you can edit its layout, display, design, and text. So go ahead and edit this however you want to. Now we're going to move on. So the next page we have is the cart page. So of course the cart page is where the services that the visitor wants to purchase will be displayed. It's empty as of now, but depending on the services your visitor wants to purchase, they'll show up here automatically. And then finally, we've got the thank you page. So this is where you'll get to thank your customers and let them see what they have purchased. This gives the customers or your visitors their copy of the transaction they've made within your website. It already looks good, but if you want to edit it, click on it. Click on Settings. And here you can choose what you want to be displayed. You can also edit your design and text over here on this small window. So go ahead and customize it however you want to. And once you're done editing all of your pages, don't forget to click on Save over here to make sure all of your progress will be saved. And that's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. Stay tuned as we continue working on this Wix booking site. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!